All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case here for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. Now, if you want to buy this case, it's $16.99 with Prime shipping right now on Amazon. There is an instant 10% off coupon that you can apply to your cart. So if you do want to take advantage of those savings and pick this up, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. I would really appreciate it, guys, if you did so. Now let's go ahead and take a real quick peek at the packaging here. So very standard traditional Spigen box, the branding there, a picture of the phone inside of the case, which as you can see here, this is the crystal clear version. So this is the only one that they had right now. I'm a huge fan of the Ultra Hybrid with the black bumpers, but to be determined if that's going to be released on Amazon anytime soon. But it does say Galaxy S21 FE 5G there. And it does kind of tell you that, hey, there's an A and B film that you have to take off, which we'll do. At the bottom, it does say crystal clear, like I said. Nothing on this side, Spigen on this side. Boring stuff if you want to go to sleep and read. There you go. So let's go ahead and pull this tab and get the case taken out here. So let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. And here it is. So like it said, there is an A and B film. So you just grab this and let's get that satisfying pill off. There's one. I don't know how satisfying that is. That thing is hard to peel. All right. And there we have it. So a very crystal clear case. So there we go. So not much to talk about. The inside obviously is completely clear. The corners do have the air cushion technology in it. So you are getting really great drop protection with this case if you do happen to drop it. So let's grab my graphite Fan Edition here and let's slap it in. So I'm just gonna start that corner and boom. And there we go. So there is the crystal clear version. Let me grab a towel real quick. Sorry, that was super loud. Wipe it down. And there we go. So there is the crystal clear version of this case on my phone. It's extremely reflective, as you can see. You can see my camera and my rigged up system there. But there is a closer look of it. So as you can see, as you're kind of going down, it's a very crystal clear case. You can see the color of this graphite phone very clearly. You can see the Samsung logo shining through very nicely. The camera bump and the circular cutout around the flash, there it is. So you do kind of have that mimicked style of the actual camera bump design there, but you do see that circular kind of pill-shaped cutout there around the lenses. And then, like I said, you do have that circular, nicely deep cutout there for the flash. And then you kind of see that little look there. It's kind of this outline that kind of outlines the whole entire back of the case there. So that's the look there. There you go. You do have a little bit of a hump here on the sides, but I mean, it is tiny when it comes to a hump, but those lenses are nicely tucked in there. So you are definitely getting some good lens protection with this case as well. Now on the sides here, as you can see, once again, it is crystal clear. And you can see the 5G stuff. You can see the antenna bands. Now with the power buttons and the volume up and down buttons, they are crystal clear once again. They are nicely raised, as you can see there. The volume up and down buttons are very nicely raised, and that power button has some little teeth in there, so that way you are able to get just a little bit different grip, and it feels very good on the thumb there. So there it is. You can see the air cushion technology shining through there on that corner there. When it comes to the bottom, you can see the SIM card ejector part there, the SIM card tray, a wide cutout there for the USB-C port and mics, and then your speaker there at the bottom. And then going to this side, once again, completely crystal clear. So that's the look there. Now you do have some Spigen branding there at the bottom corner as well. So definitely very minimal. And then at the top, It does say air cushion technology, and you do have a single cutout there for your microphone up top. The front does have a nice evenly distributed lip around the whole entire screen, so definitely getting some screen protection out of it. That's the look of it looking at it face on, and then that's the look of it looking at it from the top. You can kind of see that cutout there where the microphone is, and then you can kind of see here it does have a very nice slim little slit above the actual speaker grills, but it does have a very discreet look as well. So very slim, feels very good in the hand, guys. It's very grippy too with this crystal clear material. So there's that. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick. I'm curious if this back is going to shake on us since it's such a tiny lip. Yeah, a little bit, but it's actually not because of there. It's kind of in the middle here. So definitely shaking a little bit on us. So there is a little bit of wobble, but not terrible. And then the front is completely flat. So there is no issue with the front of the phone, but the back is going to give you a little bit of a shake a little bit. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. Let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. Oh yeah, very clicky buttons, guys. So just like most of the Spigen cases, very clicky buttons, no issues at all with the buttons. They pass with flying colors. So last but not least, Qi wireless charging. So let's go ahead and grab my Spigen charger here, slap it on, and as you can see, 69, it is wirelessly charging. So easily a wireless charging case. So if you are someone that likes to wirelessly charge your phone, then you are in good shape. Now, as far as the overall just case grade, it's definitely up there, guys. It's an A case for sure. The only downside with this crystal clear case is, as you can see there, all these smudges that I've already picked up. So there is no fingerprint issue. It is anti-fingerprint, but it is not anti-smudge. So you're definitely gonna wanna get a towel, a microfiber towel or something, wipe it down. You can use your t-shirt when you're on the go and get that nice clean look, but you're not going to be able to keep it away from smudges. So just kind of know that up front, guys, that if you are a fan of clear cases, you probably already understand the headaches that clear cases can cause. But if you are someone that likes to maybe put a skin on your phone, skins do actually help hide those smudges a lot as well. Even though the back of this phone is matted, when you put a skin on it, just seems to help a little bit more as well. So very good case, guys, very slim, feels great in the hand. So hit that like button if you like the video. If you love it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.